Be a big celebration, I believe, para sa Mindoro after this game. Just by the way that they've been reacting.
Naniniwala ako na baka man-lift ang Samgyup ban.
I was about to go there as well.
Oh, offensive foul.
Yan din ang iniisip ko eh. Feeling ko makakatikim ng Samgyup si Mr. Bono tonight.
Samgyup or hot pot. Dalawa lang yan. It looks like he might be dictating where they are going to dine tonight.
I don't doubt it. I definitely do not doubt it. I think he's already thinking about it at this point.
Dzeko drives. Trying to go high off the glass. That's basket interference.
Well, there's a foul against Perez. It looks like Bulacan will be given free throws here.
Ay, hindi pala basket interference. So, foul ang tinawag. Sumabit kasi sa ring eh.
Yun na nga eh. Pero mukhang may tulak kasi na nangyari.
Sedorifa pala, wala pa.
Oh, okay, but
siya na lang.
Siya na lang pala. Sedorifa's played
sa galing ni Joseph Sedorifa.
Close to 13 minutes.
In-expect natin na may basket na siya.
Ganun siya kagaling.
0 for 2 para kay Celso. 98-72. Bienes. Dzeko Bancale. Drives middle. Oh, what a drive right there. Hirap nun ha. Drive kanan. Tapos sa kaliwa. Ang taas pa ng talon.
But actually, for some players, mas komportable sila dyan. Offhand, tapos sa kabila yung finish. You drive one way, pero yung finish mo sa kabilang kamay.
Dzeko, naiwan ng bola, binalikan niya. Bienes. Mike Kong, who's had a stellar game. The kick out to Bancale, sees a gap. Rosso inside, he's fouled by McLean Sabelina.
But despite the great performance from Bancale here in this game, his debut for the Tamaraos this season, I'm more interested to see how he can fit in to the rotation against more formidable squads.
I think he's gonna be fine, Abby. Nakita ko to sa Cebu. Stable. Sobrang stable na Guardia. I think he's gonna be good for 15-20 minutes. Sharing the load with Axel Inigo. When you want some pace, pasok mo si Dzeko Bancale. Kung gusto mo naman medyo konting setup, bunta ka kay Axel.
Tsaka maganda sa kanya, he can play both guard positions.
Kaya nga, 101-72. All over but the final score here. Marlon Monte. Lazy pass there, almost taken away. Humauas. McLean Sabelina. Taken away by Bienes. Mike Kong is ahead. Mike Kong will finish.
Thanks, Mike Kong.
Isa sa mga naging player ni Coach Mike Sagigit from Olivares College. Definitely a lot of players have benefited from that program and are now enjoying really nice careers here in the MPBL.
103-72, 31 points na lamang. Celso on a double-double. Labas muna kay Humauas. Gino misses on the jumper. Marlon Monte gets it to Humauas. Rosso with a rebound off the save from Bienes, and that will do it. Looks like, yes, ayan na. Panalo ang Mindoro Tamaraos against the Bulacan Kuyas in convincing fashion, 103-72. An all-around performance from Mindoro. They were, firing on all cylinders pretty much. Yung three-point shooting nila, maganda.
Mindoro has definitely continued that until the final buzzer.